Charlie and TV. Charlie.
Oh yeah.
Charlie. Charlie. Charlie and TV. Charlie and TV. Charlie.
Oh yeah.
Charlie. Charlie. Charlie and TV.
My president, my second vice district governor, distinguished lions in the house, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Lions na elele. Lions na wayo.
Lions na elele. Sit down. Lions na wayo. Give me beat. No God will be like her. Instrumentals will be like her. Instrumentals. Lions na elele. Lions na elele. Elele. Lions na wayo. Lions na elele. Elele. Lions na wayo. No club will be like her. No club will be like her.
Lions International Purpose. The Lions International Purpose to organize, to coordinate the activities and standardize the administration of Lions Club, to create and foster a spirit of understanding among the peoples of the world, to promote the principles of good government and good citizenship, to take an active interest in the civic, cultural, social and moral welfare of the community, to unite the club in the bonds of friendship, good fellowship and mutual understanding, to provide a forum for the open discussion of all matters of public interest, provided, however, that partisan politics and sectarian religion shall not be debated by club members. To encourage service-minded people to serve their community without personal financial reward, and to encourage efficiency and promote high ethical standards in commerce, industry, professions, public works, and private endeavors.
How do you feel, creating another, I would say another impactation in humanity? How excited are you?
In Lions Club, as an international organization, any single member that you even introduce into the Lions family is a big thing. How much more a big club? Because we are not increasing our service delivery, our impact, and also we are increasing the number of people we are going to serve. So it's a welcome development full of love, happiness, joy. I feel on top of the world. And most importantly, again, the name Lion Vitoria Boglo was a lion. She's late now, she died 2021. She dedicated all her life to serving humanity and helping people. So it's really a big honor that her name lives forever. So to say Lions Club, very happy.
To the president, Honorable Batife, what can you say about him? What kind of woman is he?
Batife is wonderful. He has a lion's heart. He actually feels for people. He has helped a lot of people, even in his own constituency. He has helped a lot without even mentioning Lions Club as a fact. So it's only like minds that can actually give birth to like-minded activities and an organization like ours. He has helped humanity. He is a goal that the community, the Korodu constituency should never take for granted. He is a goal, and I'm happy to be associated with him. And I know he will do well.
Talking about doing well, Ma. What and how And where do you see Lagos Victory Boglo Lions Club in a couple of years?
I've told you the service delivery has increased. Is it in feeding the hunger of diabetes or in pediatric cancer awareness and treatment? Those are those impactable differences that they are going to actually impact to the community, not only in Nigeria. So it's going to be a very big one. This is just the beginning. You will hear about it.
All right, man. All right, man. One last question, man. Sorry for taking your time, man. If should I say if your mom would should be alive, seeing this happening, how excited do you think she's gonna be?
In short, it's as if she's even alive right now. Because that's exactly what she loves. And that is exactly what is happening here today. And to think that she dedicated her life to serving humanity, most especially Lions Club, and we're having something like this to keep that name and her memory alive is the best gift I ever give anyone. And I'm happy that today has come as a reality. Very happy.
Thank you so much, man. What's your name once again, man?
I am the district governor for 41. I am Lion Lady Kema Benedict Action. A year in the kingdom of Ibadan. Thank you very much.
To the end that I may merit a reputation for quality of service, to seek success and to demand all fair remuneration as my just due, but to accept no profit or success at the price of my own self-respect because of unfair advantage taken or because of questionable acts on my part. To remember that in building up my business, it is not necessary to tear down others, to be loyal to my customers and clients and true to myself. Whenever a doubt arises as to the right or ethic of my position or action towards my fellow man, to resolve such doubts against myself, to hold friendship as an end, not a means, to hold that true friendship exists, not on account of the service performed by one to another, but that true friendship demands nothing but accept service in the spirit in which it is given. Always to bear in mind my obligations as a citizen to my nation, my province, and my community.
And together, yeah, we continue to serve better as Lion Batife, past president of Anjawo State Lions Club, working elegantly with her handsome, my brother, friend, past president, the Owokas. Please, let them put their hands together for them. You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, can we get to meet you, sir?
My name is Lion Batife Daisi. I'm from Otter Lions Club. I'm presently the second Vice District Governor-elect for District 404 for Nigeria of the Lions Club.
What can you say about today's event, sir?
Oh, today in Lions Club is just like the day when a new person comes into the fold. We are chartering a new club. So what we call charter is that we have new members who volunteer to serve humanity. So there's always an opportunity and there's always an excitement to have them. From the energy I see in this club, I know that humanity will be better for it. So that's what today's ceremony is about.
All right, the guests and the awards given to personalities, you know, and you did mention about innovation in Ikorodu, and also you did mention about in a couple of years to come, Ikorodu might end up being a city. What triggered that?
Okay, so life has gone through different phases. At the time, the number of children you had determined how much strength you had. So if you were going to the farm and you had male children, you were very strong. Later, we moved into the industrial age, and we went on, and we're presently in the innovation age, the digital age, the information age. Anyone who's into that business is a seer. So for places that are going to change the world, people that are going to bring big impact to humanity, you must go round tech. So Senator Abiru has been outstanding in that area. I haven't met him, but I go through news and I see the great work he's doing. So when I saw the award, for me, it was an honor to do that. Then many years ago, going to Ikorodu was a big problem. You could spend hours going there. Then somewhere along the way, one of the governors, I think Fashola, came in. A road was opened, and if you have seen the growth, I don't have the specific data, but the rate at which Ikorodu is growing, it will get to a time we need to carve out a niche for them, maybe as a state or as a region. So if you look into the future, if you're a futurist, which I am, then you'd likely know that the future is hinged on innovation. And with that innovation going towards that direction, the future is actually bright for Ikorodu Axis.
Thank you so much. What's your name again, sir?
My name is Lion, pharmacist. For Lion.
And lastly, sir, to the new chartered and the president and also the secretary, what's your advice to them, sir?
Okay, so I welcome them on board. Interestingly, Lions Club International is a highly structured organization. The moment you come in, you have a unique number that only you have it in the whole world. With that number, you have access to some privileges. Of course, there are responsibilities attached to it. Now, some of those privileges is that at any time you want, you could go into our learning center and begin to develop yourself at your own level. So I tell people, whoever you see that has just been chartered today, watch out for them in the next 6 months. Their leadership skill must improve. And that is because there are structures to make sure that you get better on the journey of service. So that is the advice I want to give them. Volunteer yourself, make your time available, make use of the resources available, and you'll be better for it in the nearest future.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Do enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you.
The Lion, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished press, the Lion president and the Lion president from Ajao, and my brother here, my friend, my colleague, the executive chairman from Ikorodu West, and my own very good brother too, my vice chairman, who's happened to be one of the Lion inducted to be Honorable Batife. And my own very pride, Oni Tutu.
Okay, to me, sir. Talking about today's event, being the chairman of the occasion, how do you feel? Am I right, sir?
I'm happy to be chairman It's one of my visions. What I love to do. I really appreciate it.
So, sir, during your biography, your short biography, all the Lions Club members felt marvel, like doing great things in the community of Ikorodu. How excited do you feel hearing people's remark about your tremendous impact in Ikorodu North?
It's an opportunity to serve people, and as you know, when what is given, nothing is expected. I'll just continue to do what I do, put in my place, make the community proud.
And the current president of the Lagos Victoria's Boglo's Lions Club, which happens to be Honorable Batife Daisi, did mention about your impact, about the playing issue and all those things. And a lot of people have been saying so much things about you, and today you intend to be one of the Lions. And also you brought your daughter. What motivated that, sir?
Giving back to the society, doing good, that's what we know to do best. I really appreciate Honorable Batife. He's one of the guys that we have much respect and regard for. He's growing. And I wish him well in this new chapter as president of the club.
All right, thank you so much. One last advice for him as the new elected president of the...
Be cool-headed, understand human being. You have 10 human beings, you should expect that you have 10 ideas, 10 different ways.
Thank you so much, sir. What's your name once again, sir?
Of course, we are the mother
and there is no limitation to our giving. Our giving is a continuous one. But on this occasion, we are donating 100,000. And as the president, donating 20,000.
You know, this club is special to us. Myself and her grandchildren. Very special. So on behalf of the grandchildren led by a member of your club, Pearl Awele Ashibogu, will do 50,000. Then for me and my spouse, now and my spouse, we also do additional 50,000. Then to support my club, Up Ajao! Up Ajao! We also, that shout is for 50,000.
That's 450,000. I'm not on board. I'm not on board.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Lion Batife Daisi.
Talking about today's event and you being the president, how excited are you in this new position?
It's just a call to serve more. I'm excited because I have the privilege and I'm alive to serve the next privilege. It is not an opportunity everybody sees, but for those of us who are privileged to do it, we just have to give thanks and glory to God for giving us the privilege and opportunity to be among those who will make positive impact in the society.
I'm talking about the awardees and also the dignitaries that has come to grace this occasion. The governor did mention that you caught a big fish, and coming here, people who has come to grace this occasion as a guest.
The chairman to decide publicly to serve and show the interest to join the club. It's like a dream come true to me. It gave me hope. And currently at the club, we have a lot of people who come tonight, and I can tell you, the future is bright. The only way we can make our society a livable place is when we reach out to ourselves. The government will not do everything. So I want to thank God for the guests who have shown interest to join the club, and for those who are even in the club. It is an excitement to me that the club haven't spent nothing less than 3 months before the charter presentation. We have more than 33 members, good members in the club. It's a great privilege for me, and I'm blessing God for that.
What's the future holds for the new Lagos Victory Boglo Lions?
Yes, I must let this known to the public. We are in this club. In Lions Club, every year we have a project. I'm being the president of the Vitoria Boglo Lions Club for the next Lions year. My vision and mission is to support the sick, especially those who are suffering from cancer. And whatever money that is being raised today will all be used to support cancer patients. So the society, the masses should watch out for Lagos Vitoria Boglo Lions Club. We are coming to nooks and corners of our environment to search for cancer patients and support them in the little way we can. That's why we have raised the fund. Whatever is being raised today, we'll gather it, and the next action is to go out and make awareness, causes of cancer, possible prevention, and those who are suffering from it now, how we can help them to survive.
Lastly, sir, your message to the guests who you've invited and people who has come to grace this occasion.
I want to especially thank my leader, my mentor, distinguished Senator Mokahil Adetokunbo Abiru, for gracing my occasion today, and not just gracing, for even sending his support to help the less privileged. Also, Honorable Baba Jimmy Adegoke Benson, thank you very much for always being a humanitarian. You are a humanitarian by nation. Also, my foremost leader, Honorable Sobi Agubiade, I cannot forget you for all the support you have given to me. And Honorable Aluko, Sulaiman Kazim Oladewaju, Ikorodu West LCDA Chairman, Honorable Banjo, Ikorodu North LCDA Chairman, Honorable Builder Daini Sesson. I want to thank every one of them that have come to create this occasion, especially my friend Akindia. I thank you all for supporting me and for supporting the masses. I pray that God Almighty will bless you and will comfort you all.
Thank you so much, sir. What's your name once again, sir?
I still remain Honorable Lion Batife Daisi, Charter President, Lagos Vitoria, Boglo Lion School.
Thank you so much, sir.
Because this club that we are setting up today is a special one. Mommy Boglo is a mother to everyone. Was a mother to everyone. Except those that doesn't know her. I wish I could donate more. For the past 1 week, I've been congratulating my great chartered president of this newly created club because I've been so happy. It's something that we have been expecting and it's coming up today. And I know we are just starting because God has hand in it. I don't have much, but I will pledge 20K. Emma Binu, it's going to be a continuous something. Together, this Iyabo Boglo Lions Club gladden my heart. I want to say that those who put it together, to give that name, I appreciate you all. Iyabo Boglo is my personal friend. He started from Lioness Club before he died. May her soul continue to rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
This is my contribution.
Mommy has given us a check. Who is appreciating Mama KF? Check you need. Mommy Murawa.
Please permit me to stand on unestablished protocols. But having said that, I would like to recognize duly my boss, who has been the one mentoring me right from my tender age. And you know, my success today can always be attributed to him. Please, if your hands are not busy, can you help me appreciate my chairman here, Builder Olushos and He has really imparted into me, and to God be the glory. My success today can always be attributed to him. I'm so grateful, sir. And also to my chairman here, the chairman of the Ikorodu West, the chairman of the Ikorodu North, and other dignitaries here present. All protocols are well established. So on behalf of the distinguished senator, he is unavoidably absent, as we all know that he is preparing for his event tomorrow. You know, tomorrow will be his inauguration into the 10th assembly. So he's unavoidably absent, and he sincerely apologized for not being here today. However, he has asked me to get the account details of the club, and before I leave here today, the account will be credited. Thank you so much.
My name is Olafare Comfort, the legislative assistant to distinguished Senator Vitoria, Senator representing Lagos East Senatorial District.
Yeah, talking about today's events, what's your take on it?
Actually, this is actually a very nice event, and I must commend Lion Batife for putting this together. And with the caliber of people here, and you know, people that could not make it here, and still sent their representatives, it actually shows that Batife is a good person. He has a good heart, and his contributions towards the development of the community has definitely earned him this huge support, respect, and commitment by all and sundry. So I commend him for this, and I congratulate him.
And the new people that are going into Lions, what's your take on that?
Yes, with what that has happened today and with what I can see, you know, I can only say that Lions Club is a good club for anyone who has the love of humanity. This club is actually a very good one for them to go. Like I'm a Rotary actor of Rotary Club International, But looking at what Lion has done today and what they are doing and what they will do, I can only but say it's a good club for anyone and everyone who has the love of humanity at heart.
All right, let's go back to the award right now. How excited are you, being one of the awardees?
Yes, my name is receiving an innovation award on behalf of my senator, Tokumbo, senator representing Lagos Senatorial District. I cannot but say that this award is not just to flatter the distinguished senator, but it further shows and it further attests to the good work of Senator Abiru. If you've been following him, you would notice that just about less than a month ago, he launched the Sale Innovation Lab. And what does Sale Innovation Lab do? The Sale Innovation Lab takes care of everything tech. You would agree with me that the world is going global and technology is taking the place of a whole lot of things. And for us to keep in touch, for us not to lose focus, for our youth, our people to still be informed and to be equipped with recent upgrades, so that when anyone at all meets him or herself anywhere in the part of the world, they can be able to do well as far as technology is concerned. So Senator Abiru has been investing a lot in technology, innovation, tech to be precise, and other parts of it, youth employment, youth empowerment, and a whole lot of it. And part of his employment status, I got their employment through him. And I cannot but say that this award is not just an award to flatter him, but to appreciate his good efforts and what he has done and he's been doing and is still doing to ensure that the growth of the community keeps growing day by day.
All right, on a final note, one of the guests did mention about Senator Abiru being one of the great icons Ikorodu will always love when it comes to tech and information, and talking about Ikorodu being the focus of Lagos as a city in years to come. How excited, hearing that from a guest in today's event?
Yes, I was so excited when the person to present the award to Senator through me was talking about the Innovation Lab. I was so proud of my boss. Yes, so proud of my mentor. That is to say that whatever you're doing anywhere in the part of the world, some people are seeing you. You don't have to relent. And I appreciate my boss for being a good ambassador of Ikorodu Division and for ensuring that he's concerned towards the growth and development of Ikorodu Division is paramount. This can no longer be made possible without someone whose passion is to see that there is growth everywhere. So I'm so proud of him. I was so glad to hear someone say it. The person that said it is not someone who lives in Ikorodu or who lives even in Lagos State. But for him to have said that, of course, he has seen it with his eyes, because projects of Senator Abiru is always visible to the blind and audible to the deaf well enough that anyone can see and hear of his good works. Thank you so much, my mentor, my leader, my good Senator Tokumbo Abiru, for investing in Ikorodu Division, and most importantly, Lagos East Senatorial District. Having a project to cut across Lagos East Senatorial District is not something so easy. But Senator Abiru has made it so easy by having liaison reps across the senatorial district and ensuring that works are going up from one place to the other. Work is going on simultaneously without having to stop one for another. Thank you so much, Senator, and congratulations, as you will be taking charge of the 10th Assembly to represent Lagos East Senatorial District again.
What's your name once again, please?
My name is Honorable Comfort Oladuni Olafare, the Legislative Assistant to Distinguished Senator Tokumbo Abiru, Senator representing Lagos East Senatorial District. Thank you.
Thank you.
My district governor, senior Lions there, and Leo members here present. In Lionism, together, I'm happy to be here today. Batife, God will carry this road with you. Amen. I was a shattered member of Boglo Platinum Lions Club 16 years ago.
Who is not appreciating?
I'm a former president of the club, so I not envy you, because starting a new club it can be compared to nursing a new baby. You know, when you are nursing a new baby, you don't sleep. You keep your eyes open. God will lead you.
Amen.
God will guide you.
Amen.
As you know, if you remove S from your name, the middle of your surname, and put N, what does it mean? It's Daisi. Yes. I am dying.
Yeah. Wow, what can I appreciate? Two brother. Okay, from what
it's the S and the N that represented as surname.
Complementary words.
Yeah. So I was told my guys here did not mention figure. So that would make me not to mention figure.
I thought you said you mention figure.
Hold on. That would make me not to mention figure. But what I'm going to assure you is that I will be in this journey with you.
Amen.
Like I've said, I know what it takes you and what it will take you to nurture this baby. So whatsoever that I'm going to do, even if I have to pronounce a figure, it will not solve your problem in nursing a year baby. So be rest assured that I will be in this journey with you, and I will not let you go. And I will not support you less than 6 digits.
Whatever heights they may have reached after leaving the office of the DG, and success and number will multiply. And no evil will befall you. No evil will befall your children. Everything that you lay your hands upon will prosper. And for the work that you have done before and while you are in the office as AG of the Lions Club, whoever in any way plan to destroy it will end up destroying themselves.
Amen.
Ẹni tó bá ní kó kú máa kú. Ẹni tó bá ní kó ṣàìsàn. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ara ẹ̀, omi ara ẹ̀, egungun ara ẹ̀ á di ṣàtàkùn. Ibikíbi tó bá wá dé dúró láyé àwọn ọmọ àkọjá rẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹni tí ìwà láàyè, I mean the existence of anyone that could debar your children from attaining the highest level in their life will be cut short in Jesus' name. Likewise, everyone.
You have been elected to the office of president of your club. You are the CEO of your club, and your success is a reflection of your club's success. Now is the time to continue building your club in every way possible, so that it might be an example to other clubs and a credit to the community, the district, and the Lions Club International worldwide. Will you preside at all regular and special meetings of your club and board of directors?
Yes, I will.
Will you also appoint standing and special committees and ensure their successes?
Yes, I will.
Will you also serve as an active member of the District Governor's Advisory Committee, attending the meetings of your zone?
Yes, I will.
Will you, as president, perform all of your duties as provided by your club's governing documents, Lions Club Constitution and bylaws, to the best of your ability? If so, please answer, I will.
Yes, I will.
Who is not clapping? It is now my great pleasure to declare this Lion Batife, duly installed into the office of the president of Lagos Victoria Boglo Lions Club. To you, Lion President, I hand this gavel. As a token of your club's esteem, love, and confidence in you, and as your symbol of authority, can we strike the gun for the first time?
I, Lion Batife Daisi, MSCM, just installed as charter president of Lagos Vitoria Boglo Lions Club. We are clapping on Saturday, 5/17, to perform my duty for the first time and strike the gun.
Lion TV.